This is why your videos suck. Always, always, always shoot at 120 frames per second. Forget 24 frames, forget 30, forget 60, always at 120. Obviously, don't take me serious about that. But let's continue. It's just that slow-mo makes everything look so much better. Let's take a look at the scene right here. It looks boring, bland, nothing much to it. Now, when you slow it down, throw some color grade on that, letterbox, some flares, and a little bit of particles, and boom! Look how sexy that looks. Ooh, beautiful. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So there you go. That's your tutorial for today. Everything at 120. I'm out.
Samuel y el puro.
He tratado todas las formas de convencerte, pero cada paso que doy tú me lo devuelves. ¿Será porque dicen que yo soy de calle?